Invest. To expend money with the expectation of achieving a profit or material result by putting it into financial plans, shares, property, or by using it to develop a commercial venture. Such a simple yet powerful word. In this video, I will be going over my $1 million investment plan for 2021. So the first way I will be investing my money in 2021 is in the app. Yes, your boy Drell is making the app. This is by far the biggest investment of 2021 for me and in my entire life, because your boy is putting up $35,000 of my own money to make this happen. Now, for those wondering why I didn't get a loan or funding, it comes down to one word: ownership. When you put up your own money, you have complete control over your business and you get all of the profit it makes. So let's say, for example, 5 years from now, I sell my app for $100 million. I would get that whole $100 million because I own my app 100%. But check me out, the reason why it's so much is because it's some pressure. Y'all know me, I like to go big, and I'm not just gonna put that type of money into just anything that sounds good. This was a very calculated risk. And this is not gonna just be any regular app. This is gonna be an app that people can actually make money from, and it solves a problem. I'm talking Lyft, Airbnb, Uber, DoorDash, Instacart. Apps like that make millions of dollars, and it's something people of our culture need to start making. So I'm gonna kick down the door for us. And let me tell you right now, it's coming out exactly how I envisioned, but I can't tell y'all right now, not right now. But the good news is I'm making a whole documentary showing the whole process from A to Z, so you guys can see exactly how I did it. But building an app is something completely new to me, because I've never seen anybody make an app of this caliber, especially of our culture. I've never seen it, especially at my age. I'm 21 years old. I just turned 21 February 22nd. So building an app like this, I'm making a lot of mistakes. So I'm just taking it day by day and learning as I go. My second investment of 2021 will be a website to go along with the app, right? So I was doing my research on Airbnb, Uber, Lyft, all of those type of apps, right? And I realized that they didn't just have an app, they had a website to go along with it. So your boy Drell decided to get one too, you feel me? But the thing is, this is gonna cost me another $25,000, man. $25,000. So in total, for the app and the website, I'm down $60,000 just to get it made. That's not counting the marketing, the legal fees, or anything else. $60,000 just to get this app made. And remember, this is all coming out of my pocket. No investors, no loans, no handouts, just straight hustle on my end. So by the time I factor in the legal fees, the marketing, and all that, I'm gonna be looking at least $80,000 out of pocket. But look, the best thing about this is I'm gonna be eating off this investment for years to come. Like, just think about it, right? Airbnb, Lyft, Uber, all of those have been around for years and will be around for many years to come. So I honestly feel like this app is gonna make me over $10 million on the low end. That's the low end. But that $80,000 is gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt to spend that type of money, but the back end is looking beautiful. Now, of course, these are all just estimates. I might end up spending like $100,000 just to get this app made, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna show you guys all of that in the documentary once the app is done. And the app is projected to be done in June, so just be on the lookout for that. The third way that I will be investing my money this year is into my Instagram pages. Now, I recently just sold one of my pages called Cultural Motivation to one of my friends, but I still have the Black Hustlers Club. I still have Save Money by Black, Hustling Introverts, and I just made a new one for the app that I'm making. And make sure y'all go follow the Black Hustlers Club Instagram page for the culture. But I will be investing my money into some custom content, some promos, and all of that to help the page grow faster and to help them stand out some more. And I also hired someone to run Save Money by Black and Hustling Introverts for me to free up some of my time. And woo! Let me tell you, man, that's one of the best investments I made so far this year and in my entire life, to be honest. Because if you're anything like me, you're stubborn. You like to do everything yourself. And trust me, for the longest time, I did everything by myself. The editing of my videos, I still edit my own videos, but running all my pages, working on this app, doing everything by myself, solo dolo. But check me out, I realized when it's time to scale up, sometimes it's best to delegate some of those responsibilities so you can have more free time to work on other things. Now, those pages are still growing and making me money, but I only have to put in like 1 hour a week into them. So I'm still making money, but it's less time and effort because I'm paying someone to do it for me. Drell, Drill, your pages are already big. Why are you still trying to invest in them? Well, look, the bigger your pages are, the more you can make from them. So it only makes sense that I keep reinvesting my money back into those pages so they can grow faster. And by the end of the year, I'm expecting those pages to be making me at least $25,000 a month. The fourth way that I will be investing my money in 2021 is in my YouTube channel. Now y'all know we got the littest channel on YouTube for the culture. We got the littest channel by far. But YouTube is one of those things where if you don't evolve and improve, then you will fall off quickly. Now last month I made almost $26,000 from this channel. So I reinvested that money into 2 new cameras, some mics, and I will be taking this channel to a whole new level. I'm gonna be bringing you guys content that you never seen before. And I will be dropping every single week on Wednesday from now on. Matter of fact, looking at my analytics, it says 76% of y'all is not subscribed to the channel. Like, how that work? How that work, man? A lot of y'all be saying for the culture, but you're not even subscribed to the channel. But look, my goal is 300,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if that button is red down below, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. But as long as I keep improving the content and reinvesting in the channel, I'm expecting this channel to be making at least $35,000 a month by the end of the year. My 5th investment of 2021 will be into my clothing brand. Now the funny thing is, I've been trying to sell shirts since 2017 when I first started entrepreneurship, but nobody would buy them. Until last year, when I released my BAC merch, I got some right here for y'all, you know what I'm saying? For the culture. I ordered 100 shirts and I sold out of all of them within a week. But this year, I'm gonna take that to the next level. I got some big goals for this in 2021. I'm gonna be selling shirts, hoodies, jogger sets, beanies, everything. Now getting the merch is gonna be pricey, but the payoff will be amazing. Not only will I be making a profit, but I will have people all over the world representing the brand. My 6th investment of this year will be into my education. Now this is the most important investment I will make all year and in my whole life, because I could lose everything today, but nobody can ever take away my knowledge and my intellectual property. And anybody that's ever been to my crib, y'all know I got a mini library in my crib. I got a bunch of books. See, I never went to college, so self-education is all I know. When I first started entrepreneurship at 17 years old, all I did was read books on money and business, and I would even go to the library to check out some books for free because I didn't have any money. So I feel like reading is a big part on how I got to where I am today. So to this day, I still buy books to further my education. And remember how I said I was taking this channel to the next level? Well, your boy just bought an editing course to get really nice with the edits. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet,
it'd be a lot cooler if you did.
Investment number 7 would be into real estate. So me, my mom, and my sister is putting our money together, you know, that group economics, that family business, and we looking to buy a property in Richmond, Virginia. Y'all know I rep the 804. Now this is a big deal for all 3 of us because none of us ever owned a home or had any money, so we all bust up. My mom saved up money from her job and my sister saved up money from her Instagram page called Black Success Club. But we still in the early stages when it comes to all of this. So when we actually close on the house, I'll be sure to update you guys with all the details. We'll probably make a video on it. After this first property, I'm about to be going crazy with real estate in my city. I'm gonna be playing Monopoly in real life. I want all the smoke. The 8th investment I will be making this year is into stocks and cryptocurrency. Now, if you've been following my journey, you know that I want to get my stock portfolio up to $100,000 this year. Now, I just started investing in stocks in December of last year, so I'm still new to the stock market. I'm still learning and figuring everything out. And I actually been documenting my whole journey on my 2nd channel, showing you guys the exact stocks and everything I've been buying. So make sure y'all go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below to my 2nd channel. But in addition to that, cryptocurrency is the future, man. I know y'all been seeing everything been going digital, so cryptocurrency is the future. So I want to have at least $30,000 to $40,000 into cryptocurrency by the end of this year as well. And the main ones that I will be buying is called Bitcoin and Ethereum. So those are the moves I'm making this year, and I know I'm gonna be a millionaire with no time investing in those things. Hopefully this video opens your eyes and inspires you guys to invest your money. Don't just spend your money and save your money. Let your money work for you, man. That's how you actually get wealthy. Y'all see me, I'm coming out of pocket $60,000 for an app. Like, if you believe in something, stand on that and take that risk, man. Don't be scared to take risks. Even if it fails, you can always bounce back and try something else. But I'm out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch y'all in the next one.